Hello and welcome to Codeforces round 988 division 3. We are solving problem B, intercepted inputs. So in this problem, the description is given as to help you prepare for your upcoming Codeforces round. Lali set up a grid problem and is trying to give you a n by m grid through your input stream. Specifically, your input stream should contain the following. The first line should contain two integers n and m, and next n line contains m integers containing. So normally how we get input, that is they have described. But somehow someone has intercepted your input stream and shuffled all the given integers and print them on a new line. So now I had some n plus 1 lines where I had n and m, and then n cross m numbers were there. Now they are on in a single line and that is represented as k, and we don't know which integer originally belongs to, so we don't know that what are the inputs and what is n and what is m. And instead Setlali wants to resend the input to you. Decide determine the values n and m by yourself. So we have to decide from the input that we have given that what could be the possible values of n and m. Okay, so the input is pretty much straight. It is given n and n values are there, out of which n values I will be having n and m, and also n cross m total values will be there. So what can be done in this problem? So initially I have taken the inputs, I have stored it there. Also I have taken a map and stored all the values in map. Now I know that m cross n, what should be the value of m cross n? It will be n minus 2 because n values are there. So n represents basic, so n might be causing the trouble. Let's me denote n with k. Now this makes sense. Now I have k and m cross n will be my k minus 2. Okay, so I have k minus 2 will be my total input, that is m cross n values will be there, and why two values are removed, those values are n and m. So what I have done is I have basically iterated from all the values of 1 of m cross n. So why so? Let us assume my input stream is 3 and 2, that is I have n is 3 and my number of columns is 2. Okay, so this has been given to me. Now the value of k will be 3 into 2 6, plus these two values will be added there, so it will be 8. So what I have to do is I have to remove these two values. So now my k update, now my mxn will become 6. Those are basically the count of n into m. Now what are the possible m cross n? So if I have this 6, how can I make the entire grid? Either it can be 1 cross 6, it could be 2 cross 3, that's it. So I will check that if 1 and 6 are found in my this array that I have. If that's the case, simply I can take it, because I'm not care about the order. They can be arranged in any way possible. Either I get 2 3 or 1 6. I can arrange them because these are just numbers. I'm only concerned with these two numbers should be present there. So what I've done is basically I've started iteration from 1 to square root of mxn basically k minus 2. Why so? Because in square root of n, if there is a divisor, I will be definitely getting that. So that is why L is basically mxn divided by I. So if mxn is a multiple of I, L should also be a multiple of I. So that is, if I get mxn as 6 and I is 1, then the L should be 6. So that is the case. So what I've done here is I am basically checking that mx modulus I should be equal to 0. Makes sense. And the map I have created above, it should contain the value of I. It should be there. Also L should be there in my map, and also L cross I should be equal to mxn, because simply doing this can give me any number, but I have to be ensured that their multiple is equal to mxn finally. So if that's the case, I will simply print out I and L and return it out. So if from the question it said that there will definitely be existing one case, and this loop will basically find the cases. So yeah, that was all for this question. If you have any query, do comment it out, and if you like the video, give it like and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.